Yeah, on you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Buddy Vlogs here. We're at the Sunbeam Lake today. We're just having a little exploration, and like and subscribe. My Patreon is down below in the description. Here's all my links. You can follow me on Instagram so you're updated whenever I post a video, and yeah, enjoy the video.
So I've got a Patreon, do you?
Yeah, you do now. So.
What are you proud about?
Where are you from?
我来自苏格兰。
苏格兰。UK?
对。So, I just told the guy we're from Scotland, and he's put on this music. Can't believe it.
Yeah, you absolutely cannot.
Robin's got his big hat again because he can't handle the sun. Store everything in that. Nice, eh? Looking for comments.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's really nice, eh? Some might say quite nice.
Wait, what is that? They're sitting ruining the view. Get out of the way.
Hey guys, welcome back. We just arrived at the island and...
We're not on an island.
Well, fuck off. We're over there.
Oh, is that a fish? Did you hear that?
I heard that.
I heard that.
So if you want to see more of this, like and subscribe. No. Like and subscribe down below. Yeah. Follow my Twitter, follow my Instagram, yeah. At Cody Vlogs 99.
Oh, you see like
Yeah.
on Instagram through YouTube.
That's just my Instagram.
It's bad enough to see it anyway.
Oh, got you. Almost got
I
him.
was even picking when I was on the pitch.
You heard it here first. Nathan picks his nose, even in the most beautiful places.
You've got a problem with that? It's natural.
I've got a problem.
Yeah, it sounds like you have.
Yeah, you don't look very natural though. Look, this is not natural. That
It is natural.
that is a concoction by
Maybe I got a spot,
the devil
but-
himself. Nothing natural about it. Look at that.
Okay, yeah.
Nothing natural
you
about
get to
that.
see all this, you're so lucky.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Right. Don't want to get banned or anything. So.
What, for nudity? Did Nathan flash again?
Yeah,
No, he picked his nose though.
I didn't pick my nose.
What have I told you about nudity in public?
I know, but you can't take him anywhere these days.
Alright, maybe you got chocolate in your chin.
No, you got a crisp on your chin.
Yeah, I do remember that. It was actually silly.
It was disgusting.
No, it wasn't.
He made me
I'm not gonna
vomit.
lie, it wasn't as bad as the chocolate.
It wasn't. And it wasn't bad as the spaghetti.
Well-
The chocolate was almost like,
That was
needed
disgusting.
to be censored. It was kind of,
It looked like poo.
no, it was like 2 tickles, 1 cup. Even though I've never even seen it.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, you're not a little boy. I remember you had spaghetti all over your face for a good hour.
Shut up.
So let's not talk about that.
So Taiwan is known to have huge spiders. You spotted one.
Oh my.
Oh my.
No, look at the big one. Look at the
There's one in there as well. That one's shedded though. That was just the body and then the skin.
Oh.
Why did you go that way? Why did you go under
You scared?
under there?
Yeah, Kay doesn't like spiders.
Isn't scared, and if the dog isn't scared, then I'm not scared.
I'm fucking scared.
Okay, the dog is moving.
You're scared? Okay, hold on.
Oh, what happened? Oh my god, Robin, are you okay? Are you mentally unstable?
What's wrong with you?
It's not gonna get you.
It is gonna get me.
Robin! Oh my.
There's no need to be that big, just shrink. Like, literally just don't do that.
That's horrible. That's the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life.
There's just no need.
That's massive. Thing is though, they don't look that big from a distance, and they're huge.
I'm glad you noticed that before me because I would have killed myself.
Yeah, we could have stepped the cloth down. It could have like ran past us. Okay.
Can you check my body?
You're fine. You're fine.
You're okay.
I'm fine, yeah, but I'm just fat. That's terrifying. It's really terrifying.
I never did anyway, but when it's spiders, I'm tuned in.
Look clear it is.
Yeah, we just like I used to go to down the boats and that when I saw here selling eggs.
Lots of wee doggies.
It works if you look underneath it.
Well, no, it won't.
Yeah, well, because if you see one, you'll just ban it.
Yeah, if I see one, I won't sit
So there's definitely not one on there.
There's not one on there.
Do you sit at the edge?
I was sitting on the side there.
We're at the first stop. We're gonna take the boat. We're gonna take the boat again to go to another stop. I actually don't know what's here. There's some kind of zip line. I don't really know how to get on it. No, not a zip. Sorry, not a zip line. It's like this cable car. There's a cable car that takes you up to the top of the mountain. I don't know where it starts. If we get there, we might go on it. But acquired an ice cream, and the thing is, they said it was Chantal flavour, and I didn't know what that was, and I looked it up on Google and it said it was a herb. I'm like, herb flavoured ice cream, that's weird. Look at the cat. The herb they were talking about was vanilla. Got a wee cat here. Don't think he's for sale though. So I'm happy. I did ask for chocolate, they said they didn't have any, but at least I've got something. There's a lots of different foods here. It's a little bit more exciting than the night market. We stay near the night market, and it's kind of, it's more exciting, yeah. Whoa, that looks good. What are they cooking there? Oh my god, that's not chocolate ice cream. They do not have it. Oh, yeah, they do.
Oh, I'm gonna get one.
God, come on. We had some snacks. We had a wee walk. I finished my ice cream. It started dripping in the shop, so I had to leave. Nobody kicked me out. I just had to exclude myself from the shop. Got one drip on the floor. According to them, it was all over the floor.
You did not excuse yourself. We excused you.
Nah, I excused myself. You didn't force me out. I evacuated. I evacuated on my own volition.
It was a good 3 drips, and it was right next to all the souvenirs, and it was.
How about I show you a drop of blood on the floor? Here he is, he's coming. Oh, he's got the hat. Oh. Oh wait, go. Oh, that would have been really good if you got through the lens. Go back. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, go back and walk up. You just walk up. Right, okay. Come on, do it now? Okay, do it now. So, right. So it's out of cobweb.
Sorry.
Cough, Nathan! Oh,
That's me.
mate, come on, after the trauma we've been through today, you can't be doing that. Throw it to the lens.
Wait, should I do the outro?
Nathan wants to do the outro, so on you go.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. You can watch the last video here of my morning routine, and you can subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and my Patreon's in the description. It would really help me out if you donated. My Instagram's down below, so is my Twitter. So yeah, give it a follow. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe.